Hello, everybody, and welcome to some Golf with Friends. I'm here with my buddy Cosmic Fizz.
You.
We're gonna, just play a couple rounds of this, and anyways,
I'm excited.
oh, I'm so excited. See who wins. See what one can stroke out more, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna lose when I lose. What in the world? Oh, there we go. I almost forgot how to play this game. Unbelievable. It's been a while since I played this game. Shoot.
No.
Oh well, that's not as many as I would have liked to get it in, but.
No! Ah!
Dude, you gotta love that. You gotta love that.
That's not as videos. I'd like to. Oh, we both got 4. Good.
Yeah, that. What in the world is this game?
What?
Yo.
Ah! There we go. Whatever, that's fine.
Unfortunately, I'm going to be leaving at 4, was it? Yeah, unfortunately, I'm going to have to leave you at 4. Probably a little bit before that.
Gosh dang it, I just went too early.
Going to church service. What's he really doing?
Go! Go!
Yeah, he really likes to grip on my bed. I
Ah!
hate this one. This one's annoying.
Oh, seriously, I knocked you in.
Same. No, you didn't. You didn't knock me in.
Oh, okay.
I pushed it in. Yeah.
Okay.
I did too. Yeah, we both got 2 on that one. Man,
Nice.
both getting 2.
For now.
Yeah, for now. We're gonna get really stupid hard ones soon. Yep, like this one. I forgot this one. Man, this one's terrible.
No!
I really gotta send it on this one. Oh, there we go.
No!
That was complete luck. That was absolute luck on my end. Right down the middle. Oh, that failed completely. Yeah, 3. Not the best.
Oh! I'm an idiot.
Yeah, I hate this one.
Oh, come on. I didn't even go that hard. Fine, I'll take... I'm gonna lose. Oh! Oh!
Dude, what?
Oh, shit.
Oh, this one's great.
No! What the?
That's not good.
No, stop, 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 stop. 5 ain't good either. I have to figure out this power.
Yeah, I'm not very used to it either. It's very hard to get it exact. Almost got that on par achievement. Almost there. Oh, got a little while to go. A little bit.
Well, that sucks.
Definitely gonna get a 3 here.
Oh, that suck. Well, that's fine. We're doing it for fun.
Yes, yes.
And so that we can practice to beat Taro sometime.
Yeah, Tyler is ridiculous. He wins in the most BS ways imaginable.
Yay, I got 2.
Wow.
Yay!
Oh no. I'm kind of worried, actually.
What the
Oh,
fuck?
I hate this one. Dude, oh great. I just screwed myself over.
Oh! You're telling me. Well, hello.
What in the world? Eh.
So when you go like this.
Okay.
Launch! Oh, you made it?
Yeah, yeah. I was lucky enough for it to launch me over the railing to where the flag was. Thankfully.
I'm screwed here. I stroke out on this one.
This one is annoying.
Fuck it.
Okay, good, 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 good. Definitely more than 2. Yeah, yeah.
No! Oh! What do you use? Do you use a controller or mouse for this one?
I use a mouse. What do you use? You use a controller?
No, I use a mouse. Oh, you gotta be shitting me.
You couldn't use this game. I don't think you can play this game well with a mouse. I mean, a controller.
No, probably not.
Very difficult, I'm sure. Oh, this one. Love this one. It's my absolute favorite. Why is there a giant target in the front of you? No idea.
Ah!
I
Full
don't even know why you
sun.
go for those. There's no reason to. There literally is no reason to go for them. Like, I just gotta remember on that one, you don't even bother with the targets. Or whatever those things. Don't even bother. I just don't.
But I want to.
I know you want to, but you're not gonna win if you go that way. I don't even know why they're there. You don't even need to do it. I don't even know why in the world they're there. Aesthetic reasons, I guess.
What the?
Yeah, this one. What in the world?
No!
No, 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 no. Yeah, this is what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. stupid targets. I probably could have won if I had not gone for those.
No, stay.
Okay, and I need to somehow get over there. Yeah, somehow I need to. Yeah. Somehow get over there. Okay,
Well.
thank God. I hate this one. That's also annoying to do.
No. Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
What happened?
Hey!
That just helped you.
It fucked me the first time.
Hey, maybe it's apologizing. Maybe it's like, hey, I'm sorry for screwing you over the first time.
Oh,
Oh, this is my favorite one. Just kidding. This is the worst one ever.
No. Stop! I'm not even hitting the heart.
You don't love that it does that. It's like, what?
Oh. Is that the last hole? No, one more.
Oh, this one. Are you kidding? It launched right off the map. It doesn't matter how light you go. It's gonna launch across the map. So, Austin, what? How am I supposed to win this one? Dude, this one is stupid. This one is very stupid. How are you supposed to win this one? Okay, there we go. That's dumb, dude.
Oh. I think that's the first time you did worse than me. Finally. Alright.
That last one was really bad. What another one you want to do?
We could try random.
I try random, sure.
Alright.
I have a feeling though that's gonna not end well. That's what I have a feeling. Oh, volcano. Oh, this is interesting. I've never played this.
Me neither.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, this already looks like a whole lot of fun. No, you don't even need to go that way.
No.
Honestly, just shoot it down.
A little bit faster. Ah.
No.
No.
What in the world? What is that? It's a portal thing. Okay.
Woo!
Oh, you got it in one. Nice.
Uh,
That was not that bad.
no, that one it's not that bad.
Oh. Of course I say that. What the hell? What is this? What in the world?
Hey, we got on 2.
That's a weird one.
Alright, we only got a. It was only 2 though, so that's good.
What is this? Oh, I gotta land on the. Okay. Please, are you kidding? That's me.
What the?
Yeah. What? How are you supposed to? I know what you're supposed to do on this one, but like, how are you supposed to do that? That's very hard. You see what I'm saying? Are you having as hard of a time as I am? Or did you get it in one shot?
Oh, no, we're just stuck here. What's LMB? What's LMB? I don't know what that means.
What's LMB? What do you mean? What are you saying?
Look at the bottom right.
Oh, jetpack! Left mouse button. Oh, okay. I didn't even notice that. I didn't even see that. Okay, well, I did it way too much. I didn't even see that. Glad you pointed that out. It took me
Well,
a
dude.
second to even realize what you were talking about. Didn't even realize I had a jetpack. That's kind of stupid. That's a terrible one right there. Oh, black hole.
Send it.
Let's go in it. Dude, did you just make it in 2?
Yep.
You just made it in 2. What in the world?
I full sent it and it made me go in the other portal.
That's crazy. The one time I don't full send it,
Right?
like I full send it all the time, and I never win by doing it that way. You do it. You get it immediately.
Full send! Yeah!
Okay. Oh, great. Oh, maybe I should full send it. Probably not a good idea now. No. Oh, okay. What does this have to do with volcanoes? Are you serious? I keep going straight to the lava like Anakin. What in the world? Wrong, I guess.
Interesting. So you didn't get the jetpack because you didn't go through that one thing.
Oh, I didn't?
Yeah, because you didn't go through that floating thing. So that's what that means.
Oh, okay. Alrighty. That makes sense. What the heck is this?
Full send!
Okay, this is an interesting one. Carry me to my destination.
Oh, what the?
That's BS. That's stupid.
You seen that?
I love what the game does.
Portal!
Oh, this is a
Full
good
send!
one. You know what? I'm full sending it too. Might as well. Alright, well. Black hole, you disappoint me. Dude, what in the world?
Let's go!
I should not have done that. Slowly but surely. I'm not doing very well at this game. How do I get over there? I don't know what this is. I'm just gonna send it. Bouncing down, bouncing down. Yep, this is the way to go. Of course, if I can get up there.
No, please. No. No. Come on.
Slightly over. Should I try full sending it? Probably not. Oh, no, this one you're really gonna have to. Are you serious? Okay, that one you really gotta be specific on.
Oh, come on. I bounced out.
Are you serious? That one's annoying. That one's dumb. I do not like that one. You gotta like really like slowly nudge it over that. Oh, it's a direct shot down. Yeah, it's whoever designed this, you need to be fired. This is the worst thing I've ever seen in my life. It's dumb.
Well, now I'm below you. Fuck. This dude's so good. Full send. Don't do that.
Are you tricking me is the question. Well, I gotta full send it now.
Oh, come on.
You're kidding. You have a jetpack?
Not anymore. You're kidding.
This reminds me of Peak. For some reason.
Oh, you gotta be fisting me.
What in the world did happen? What happened?
I just bounced off the fucking hole. The inside of the hole, I'm out.
It just hand stretched out.
What the hell?
Oh, look at that. That's nice. Honestly, that was a stupid thing to do. Dude, I don't know how am I supposed to get
Oh! What a nice black hole we have here.
Yeah, definitely something we need right there. Right in front of where we need to be. Thank you, game. I appreciate that. You know what? Why listen? Why listen? I'm just gonna launch it over there. Okay, never mind. Also, you don't have to listen. You don't have to follow me. Okay, you got further away further than I did. Maybe you should.
More shots.
Maybe I should have listened. Did it the game the way the game wanted me to do? Yeah. Go. Oh, okay.
A little bit lighter, buddy.
Oh, this is fun.
Not that
You
light.
either do it too weak or
Well,
too.
so, no, I don't know. Yeah, hold on.
Okay, I gotta say that much.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah. 6.
6, 7.
8, 9.
Oh!
you, game. I appreciate this giant portal thing. Are you kidding?
Oh! Okay.
Oh, no, I have an idea. Okay, we gotta really...
And I went over it.
Dude, what is this game?
That sucked.
Oh my goodness. Terrible. Okay, what is this one?
I don't know where to go. Oh.
Why is there rubble? Come on, guys. Who's the cleaner? Who cleans this field? Oh, we got a lawn shed. That's great. That's fantastic. Oh, thank God. Are you kidding?
What the?
Dude, are you kidding?
What the?
Are you kidding?
Oh, there we go.
What in the world?
Oh, Lord, don't ask me.
Oh, game. Gotta love you.
Fuck.
Okay, whoopee.
No.
It's one of these. Don't you dare, don't you dare, don't you dare, don't you dare. That's what I thought. Shh, you're not doing that to me. Where am I going? I do not like the look of this thing.
This is apparently a par 3.
This is a par 3?
Apparently.
I don't believe that for a second. Nope, no. Yeah, that's a lie. That's a lie and a half. There's no way that this is a par 3.
I'm serious.
That's horrible. Dude, how am I supposed to get up here? Oh, this is where I'm gonna lose big time. Maybe not. 10 strokes is really bad.
See, par 3.
That's what is this? What is this? Full send. Okay, I just sent it to the lava.
I got it in par 3.
Dude, are you serious? You got it in 3.
Yeah.
That's a crime and a half. Dude, what in the world? Dude, what in the world? I mean,
Oh, hey. Okay, hold on. When you respawn, I'll tell you what I want to shoot for. You want to shoot for... You just want to full send into that one in the middle. That's high. Not the front one, but the back one.
Okay, I think I know which one you mean. Like that one? Oh no. Okay, dude, I'm just gonna go for right. Okay, that's
Oh,
a
there we
stupid
go.
one. Nice strokes! Yay! You got that one in 3. That's crazy.
Nice cock!
Nice, good. What is this? What the? I'm assuming you have to go in that portal. Is that what I'm assuming? That's what I'm assuming.
Oh, no! I almost hit it first try, the portal.
Oh, are you supposed to go that way? Dude, are you serious?
I don't know where to go here.
Dude, are you serious? You serious? You gotta be serious.
Where the fuck do we go?
All the way over there. That doesn't count. That counts as out of bounds, doesn't it? Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Dude, we're not. How am I supposed to get over there? Oh wow! Yeah, you won. You 180. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Alrighty. No. Is that doorway open? I guess not. Would you look at that, Austin? I'm 10.
Me too.
Now I'm 11. Oh wow, that's. Now I'm 12. I have 13 now. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, game. Dude, that's bad.
This next one's a par 6. I don't even want to know. Okay, this seems interesting.
I don't like this.
Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me.
Oh yeah, this one's gonna be fun, I'm sure, I bet. You're kidding. You're kidding. Okay. I was like, no way. Where am I going? Are you joking me? Are you kidding? That was a direct shot.
Oh, come on.
That's
I thought your portals were my friends. No, please. No, please. No!
What in the world?
Okay, I'm safe.
I guess you just gotta speed demon it.
Yay, I won by 1.
You're
Oh.
no way! That's bull. That's stupid.
Well, I got the par 3 and you got the par. You got 9 on the 3.
Yeah, okay, never mind.
So,
Did get par 3.
alright. How about one more of the forest and then we'll go play Elatro.
Okay, sure.
Alright. Whew.
Random,
It's so nice to be not going through portals.
yeah, amen to that. Come on, game, come on.
Yay!
Dang. You're kidding.
Yeah.
I swear.
Okay.
Oh yeah, this is the stupid one.
God damn it. Well, that reverses one of my whole ones. Whole ones. Damn it. I was trying to stay on par.
Nice, nice.
That's nice.
Oh, I hate this one. This is one I'm always bad at.
Why won't you stop moving on that thing? God damn it, this is where I lose. I can't even see. I... Okay. No! Well, now we're all tied up again. I don't. Please.
Yeah, this one's terrible.
No fucking way!
Yeah, I didn't get this one less than 3. Oh, but you did. Nice.
Thank God. Oh no.
Oh, I love this one. This one's great. My ball can stop rolling.
No. I just don't know how much strength to put on this one. Like that much, I guess.
It's hard. I did not know that.
Let's go. Oh, what? Oh, you gotta be fisting me.
Oh, wow.
Damn it. We're cooked. Odds of us getting 10 on under 10 on the last 4. Not good. Not good.
Are you serious? Are you serious? Dude, that's stupid. Man, come on. Thank you.
Oof.
Dude, no way.
Oof.
That's crazy.
Oh, and I'm in the same boat as I was the last time. You made it in 2. Oh. Okay.
Oh, nice.
Whew. Nice. No, we're gonna both finish over par.
Dude, this one is stupid. This one is dumb beyond belief. This one is idiot. This one is very stupid. You got it in 3, yeah. You see how that is stupid.
Now.
Yeah, I got it in 8.
Oof. Yeah, that one sucks.
I hate that one.
I finished 3 over. No, and it's all because of that fucking. Oh, what was it?
Nice job, though, man.
Thank you. All right. Well, y'all, that's gonna do it for this video of Golf with Friends. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.